Welcome to All-in-One Amazing channel. Happy Diwali to all. Happy Diwali to all. Diwali is one of the favorite festivals of children. It gives them a good chance to blow up the taps. Diwali is usually celebrated on the multiple new moon day of Aswaj Kartika, which falls in November. There are so many stories about in the media. Lord Rama, who killed Ravanasura, reached Ayodhya on Diwali. Vamana, the incarnation of Vishnu, defeated Bali Chakravarti on the same day. But the most interesting story of all is the story of Narkasura. Narkasura was born to Bhudevi in the incarnation of Varaha, one of the incarnations of Vishnu. Bhudevi feared that his death would be in the hands of Vishnu, forever, as demonic traits were clearly visible in him. That is why Vishnumurti wanted not to kill Narkasura under any circumstances. Vishnumurti thought for a while, but I will give you a boon. No one can kill Narkasura except you. Glad to hear that she is convinced that she will not kill her child by looking at him. As the days passed, Narkasura could not turn around. With that, all the gods together went to Vishnumurti and begged him to save them. Vishnumurti assured them that Narkasura was near death. Soon Vishnumurti became Lord Krishna and Bhudevi became Satyabhama. Narkasura, on the other hand, continued his evil deeds. He persecuted the sages. He provoked every king he saw. Narkasura once encountered Lord Krishna. Lord Krishna knew that Narkasura's death was in the hands of Bhudevi. That is why when Satyabhama told that he would come to war with him, he did not hesitate. The battle began for Narkasura Sri Krishna. They confronted each other fiercely. For a while, Narkasura made Lord Krishna lose consciousness in that battle. Satyabhama himself went to war with Narkasura, not just to face him bravely. Her arrows aimed directly at his heart. Narkasura must have hit the ground with the passing of those arrows. The day of Narkasura's death is called Narka Chaturthi and is celebrated by lighting next day lamps and taps to mark the victory. The original Diwali means a series of lamps. Diwali is an important festival not only for Hindus but also for Jains and Sikhs. Vardhamana Mahavira, the last of the Jain Tirthankaras, passed away today. Hindus today worship Lakshmi with devotion. It is believed that Lakshmi Devi comes to the house of her devotees. In fact, Diwali is also known as Lakshmi Puja. The Marwaris, however, give more importance to the worship performed today. For us, the new year begins with Diwali. On the day of Diwali, everyone wakes up in the morning, bathes their heads, puts on new clothes, makes sweets and worships the goddess. When it gets dark, they turn on the lights and start burning taps. Darkness escapes with the ammunition fired on the new moon day. On the day of Diwali, the cold should not subside in the winter with a razor before lightning. Friends, please take care of your body and your clothes while performing lightning and playing with crackers. Happy Diwali once again. Have a wonderful Diwali.